Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to voice note on Bumble. To get started, let's open Bumble app. Make sure your Bumble app is installed on your mobile device. This is your home page. So here, go to your inbox icon as shown here. It will navigate you to this interface. Now click on the chat to whom you want to send voice note. For now, let's click on this chat. Now your chat is open. Now as you can see, icon on the left corner. So click on it. After clicking it, it will give us different icon. For now, we are here to voice note. So click on the voice note icon. So in this way, you can voice note on your Bumble app. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.